So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be doing an unboxing of my new GoPro Media Mod. So quite excited about that. So here it is. So अभी करते हैं unboxing. So here it is guys, my new Media Mod. So basically I bought this because mostly I'm on the go, means like treks or hiking. At that time I can't take my full setup with me because it will like too huge for me and it is like bulky for me. So that's why I took this one, because GoPro captures sound from all the directions. So it is difficult for me to do post processing on that audio and remove the background noises. So that's why what I did is I bought this GoPro Media Mod. It has internal mic also, and also we can attach our external mic. So I use Rode NTG mic for both my studio work and on the go. So I'll be attaching that to this one Media Mod, and let's see how it works. So here it is, my GoPro. So this is my GoPro 9. I'll be doing a review of this Media Mod. Now I'll try to test it with my NTG, Rode NTG, and let you guys know which audio looks good, whether the internal mic of this Media Mod or NTG. So is it worth to purchase with this with your GoPro or not? We'll also try to do comparison between all these mics, inbuilt GoPro inbuilt mic, then Media Mod, and also with the NTG. Okay, let's just open this now and we'll check now what comes inside this box. There are some books which I hardly read. We get this mounting clip with this Media Mod. Let's just keep this aside. One thumb screw for this one. And yes, of course, Media Mod. It looks really nice, by the way, and it feels good, like sturdy. And this is a foam which we have to attach it here. Okay, let's just check if anything else is there in this box. And there's nothing. Let's just keep this aside, and we'll try to mount this with GoPro 9 now. Let's see, we have to open it from here. Wow, this mechanism is really nice, guys. Okay, we'll try to remove this. We have to remove this side doors to use that with Media Mod, so we'll just remove that. Done, and that's all we have to do it. So here are some ports also: USB Type-C port, then 3.5mm jack to connect external mic, and HDMI out for playback on external monitors. So this is my external mic, Rode NTG. So we'll be connecting this to Media Mod now. We have to connect this 3.5mm jack over here, and we are done. So this is the audio sample straight out of the GoPro Media Mod mic. Do let me know how it sounds. So now we'll be switching to my Rode NTG mic. So here it is. So this is the audio sample straight out of the GoPro with the NTG mic attached to it. So do let me know how it sounds. And we'll now switch it back to the GoPro's inbuilt mic. So here it is. So this is the audio sample straight out of the GoPro with its internal mic, and this is how it sounds. With that guys, we'll end up this video here. And if you like this video, just hit that like button and sub to my channel for future updates. You can also follow me on my Instagram page. I update my Insta page whenever I visit any places. So you guys will know which video will be coming next on YouTube. So with that guys, I'll see you next time. Till then, take care and Dev Bare Karo.